The archives of the Glenbow contain riches beyond compare. The collection of materials here is a really good indication of how Calgary is a city full of builders, risk takers, not necessarily always law-abiding citizens, but people who will go out and who will get things done, even if it means breaking a few rules or breaking a few dishes in the process. The point about archives is you never know what you will discover. When you can actually hold in your hand a letter that someone wrote or received, you get a sense when you look at their handwriting, you look at the fraying of the paper, and of course a lot of paper is fraying, you begin to understand, I think, a texture and a smell that is part of history's sensory past. I know that when people go to archives, they think they have to wear white gloves and contain their sneezes and never do anything but treat paper seriously. In fact, I have laughed out loud more in these archives than I ever have, because what I discovered was both powerful, funny as hell. It's amazing what people will reveal in their letters and their papers, and incredibly moving, because there is intimate material, there is business material, there is economic material, and there is material about what really matters to us as citizens of this amazing city. The photographs in the archive are invaluable because sometimes in the corner of a photograph will be a sign that no one has noticed that tells you a good deal about that moment in time. So if we can have access to that, you can look at not only the texture of the time, but a different angle. I think the desire to make the archives more accessible to everyone, it's a signal of the way that we are moving into the future. We share resources, we think about collaboration and cooperation rather than all these isolated cells. And I think that it will be a great benefit, not just to researchers in the Academy, but to everyone in the city of Calgary and beyond. This is an opportunity for us to enhance our knowledge, to increase our curiosity quotient, and to engage with all of the ways that we are interleaved between the pages of the past.